Hello everyone, hope you all are good. Welcome to English class. My name is Devki and today we will start our next topic of English grammar, that is articles. Now what are articles? Words like a, an and the are called articles. I am again repeating, words like a, an and the are used as articles. They are adjectives also because they are used to denote the quantity and the quality of the noun about which we are talking. So let's look at the definition. The words like a, an and the are called articles. They are adjectives also, and since they are adjectives, so they are used before the noun. Now our articles are of two types. One is definite, indefinite and another is definite. Now first let's try to learn about indefinite articles. The word indefinite means any, means not particular or not specific. Like in stories we read the first line of the story generally used to be like, once upon a time there was a king. So over here we are using article a because we are not sure about the king. We are referring it as any king. So we have used the article a. Now under indefinite article comes word a and n. Now we will learn about where we use article a and where we use article n. So we use article a when the first sound of the word starts with a consonant sound, and we use article n when the word starts with a vowel sound. Now next we will learn about the uses of article a and n. So we use article a or article n when we talk about the singular noun. So article a and article n are also used when we want to refer a noun as a singular quantity or a countable noun that are singular in number. Second, when a noun does not refer to any particular noun. As I told you that indefinite means any, not particular. So we use article a and article n when we are not particular or specific about a noun. Then the last one with names of occupation. When we talk about the occupation, we use article a or n. Like when we talk about the occupation of our fathers, we say that my father is a teacher or my father is an engineer. So we have used the article a or article n. Now let's understand how can we differentiate between the words starting with consonant sound and the words starting with the vowel sound. अब हम ये सीखेंगे कि हम उन वर्ड्स को कैसे डिफरेंशिएट करें जो कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड से स्टार्ट करते हैं या फिर वोवल साउंड से स्टार्ट करते हैं. So let's learn with the help of examples. So the first one I have written dash honest boy. Now over here my word is starting with letter H, but the sound is of O, which is a vowel sound. So over here I will use my article N. I am again repeating, the word is honest. It is starting with a consonant letter, but it is not having the consonant sound. So it has a vowel sound. So we have to focus on the sound, whether it is consonant sound or the vowel sound. So the sound is of O, which is a vowel sound. So I have written article N over here. Now my second example is dash 1 rupee note. Now the word 1 is having the first letter O, which is a vowel, but this word is not having a vowel sound. It is having a consonant sound of W. So again we will focus on the consonant sound and I will use article A over here. Then my third example dash university. Now here again we are having a vowel letter over here, but the sound is of U, which is a consonant. So I will use article A over here. Now my last example is umbrella. Over here the letter is starting with a vowel letter and the sound is also a vowel sound, umbrella. So I will use article N over here. So we understood that we have to focus on sound, not just on the letters that we are seeing, but we have to focus on the sound, that whether the word is a consonant sound word or a vowel sound word. Now next, we will learn about the definite article. Under definite article, we have word the. We use definite article when we talk about a specific noun. So let's learn about the uses. Where do we use the definite article? First one, when we talk about a specific person or thing. As I told you, when we point out toward a specific person or thing, then we use article the. Second, before ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are like first, second, third. These are our ordinal numbers, and we use article the before the ordinal numbers. Then we have before names of rivers, seas, oceans, religious books, mountain ranges, superlative degrees. We use article the when we talk about any of these things like the Ganga, the Himalayas, or superlative degree, the most intelligent. So we use article the before them. Then the last one, before proper nouns, when talking about a family or people of a nation, means we also use article the when we are talking about a proper noun and it is talking about a family or a people of a nation, like the Indians. So over here, Indians means the people who belong to the country India. The Japanese. So we use article the before them. Then our last topic is omission of article. Now what is the meaning of omission of article? Means there are some specific places where we should not use any of the article. Means we should not use any article from a, an or the. So over here I'll explain you some points where we should not use article. So the first one is before the names of languages as a noun. Means when we are referring to a language, then we should not use any article. Like if I am saying that I am learning Japanese. So over here I will not use any article a, an or the. Then second thing, before names of games. When we talk about a game, we do not use article. Like I like to play cricket or I like to play badminton. So over here I am not using any article. Then before plural nouns, when we use plural nouns, then also we should not use articles. Like houses in this locality are very pretty. So over here I have used the word houses, but it is plural noun, so I will not use any article. Then before uncountable nouns, when we talk about the nouns that are uncountable, we should not use article. Like I want water. So my water is an uncountable noun. So I will not use any article before it. Then before names of meals. When we are talking about the meals, like I had sandwich in breakfast or I will have lunch with my friends. So over here when I am talking about the breakfast and lunch, I am not using any article. Then before names of days and months, then before the names of planets, countries, states, cities and towns. When we have all these points, we should not use articles with them. Now I am giving you a recap of what we have learned today. So today we learned about the articles. First we learned what are articles. So articles are a, an and the. They are adjectives also because they denote the quantity and they talk about the quantity and the quality of a noun, and they are usually placed before a noun. Then we learn that we have two types of article, that is indefinite article and definite article. Then we learned about the definite article and indefinite article, and we learned that indefinite means any. When we are not specific about something, then we use article a or an. Then we learn that we use article a when a word starts with a consonant sound, and we use article n when a word starts with a vowel sound. Then we learned about the uses of indefinite article. and we learned that we use indefinite article when we talk about a noun which is singular in number, which is countable and singular in number. Then we learned that when a noun does not refer to any particular thing, then also we use indefinite article. And the last we learned that with the names of occupation we use indefinite article, that is a or n. Then we learned about the definite articles, and under definite article we use the word the. The is the definite article. The word definite means specific when we are talking about a particular or a specific person or thing. Then we learned about its uses. The first one was that we use article the when we talk about a specific noun. Then we learned that we use article the with ordinal numbers. Then we learned that we use article the before the names of rivers, mountain ranges, or seas, religious text, or superlative degree. Before superlative degree we use article the. Then last we learned that we use article the before the proper nouns when we are talking about a family or the people belonging to a nation. Like there is a family living nearby your area and their surname is Guptas, and you say the Guptas are moving from here. So over here Guptas we are referring to a complete family, so we use the article the before it. Then last we learned about the omission of article, means where we should not use the articles. And I have mentioned some points over here and explained you where we should not use article. The first one was before the name of the languages. Second one, before the names of games. Third one, before plural nouns. Then before uncountable nouns. Then before the names of meals. Then before names of days and months. And before the names of planets, countries, states, cities and towns, we should not use any of the article. I hope you have understood this topic. Still, if you have any doubt, you can contact me anytime. You will get worksheets based on this topic on ERP. Now we will meet again with another video lesson of English. Till then, bye bye.